Today, we're diving into the world of smoothies with some innovative recipes that match every mood you might be in. Whether you need a boost of energy, a relaxing treat, or something refreshing, I've got you covered. Let's blend up some deliciousness. Energizing morning smoothie. First up, we have our energizing morning smoothie. This one's perfect for kickstarting your day. Here's what you'll need. 1 banana, 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 cup of almond milk. A sprinkle of chia seeds for extra energy. Blend everything until smooth, and voila! A creamy, energizing start to your day. Let's give it a taste. Delicious! Relaxing evening smoothie. Now, if you're winding down after a long day, try our relaxing evening smoothie. You'll need 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 the banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, a few drops of vanilla extract. Blend it up and enjoy this calming drink that's perfect for relaxation. Let's see how it tastes. So soothing! Refreshing summer smoothie. Next, we have our refreshing summer smoothie. This one's ideal for hot days. Here's the recipe. 1 cup of watermelon chunks, 1/2 cup of cucumber slices, juice of 1 lime, a handful of mint leaves, 1 cup of coconut water. Blend until it's nice and frothy. This smoothie is super hydrating and tastes like summer in a glass. Let's taste it. Wow, so refreshing! Indulgent dessert smoothie. And for those indulgent moments, try our dessert smoothie. You'll need 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1/2 cup of vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, a drizzle of chocolate syrup. Blend it all together and top it with whipped cream and a few chocolate shavings. This smoothie is a sweet treat that satisfies your dessert cravings. Let's give it a try. Absolutely delicious. There you have it. 4 innovative smoothie recipes for every mood. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy blending!